This is the beginning of a stronger, bolder, more skilled ASEAN for generations to come. Congratulations to all winners. Mabuhay ang ating mga kabataan. Mabuhay ang ating mga manggagawa. Mabuhay ang ASEAN.
The first is really, as I said, everything is a skill. And it is now increasingly skills-based. The skills are your passport for your future. It's your passport for your jobs. But more importantly, it is actually an aspect of personal development and growth. So gaya rin ang sinabi ni Senator Joel Villanueva, sana pag-isipan natin ang skills as ating ticket, no? Sa isang mas magandang kinabukasan. Pero itong magandang kinabukasan ay kailangan nasa ilalim ng isang lifelong learning mindset rin natin na sige-sige ang ating upskilling at reskilling.
Sobrang saya ko po talaga. To the point na napaiyak na po talaga. Kasi sobrang saya po talaga. First time.
Siyempre sir, masaya. Kasi hindi ko expect na aabot ako sa silver.
Kita naman dito sa event na daming bansa, daming mga representatives and delegates. So, I'm very proud of what I've accomplished. And lahat ng experiences at lahat ng hirap, very worth it and deserve namin to.
It was very exciting, very stressful, very pressuring, but overall it was just a great new experience. I was just speechless and nervous the whole time, but at the end of the day, it just ended up becoming just an amazing experience.
I found it quite exciting to be able to have a chance to go overseas and compete as well, because it's my first time in this kind of setting, in this big of a scale of a setting as well. So it was a really good experience overall, I think.
And how was your competition experience?
It was definitely tiring and stressful, but overall I do appreciate the opportunity, and I'm happy like the friends I made, especially like to see the other competitors that we just took a photo of as well.